Hey there! Are you in need of tablet repair in Sydney, New South Wales? Look no further. Our team of expert technicians at Tablet Repair Sydney is here to help. We understand how important your tablet is to you. It's your go-to device for staying connected, working, and entertaining yourself. That's why we offer fast and reliable repair services to get your tablet back in top shape as soon as possible. Our repair process is simple. Just bring your broken tablet to our store, or give us a call to schedule a pickup. We'll diagnose the issue and provide you with a free quote for the repair. If you approve, our technicians will get to work fixing your tablet. We use only the highest quality parts and tools to ensure that your device is repaired to the manufacturer's standards. We can handle a wide range of repair issues, including cracked screens, battery replacements, charging port repairs, and more. Plus, all of our repairs come with a 90-day warranty, so you can have peace of mind knowing that your device is in good hands. So don't let a broken tablet bring you down. Bring it to Tablet Repair Sydney and let us get you back to enjoying your device in no time.